Hello, my name is Rolando Sanchez. I am the owner of Vibrante Kombucha in Baja, Mexico, and I am a customer of Winskys company. I've been using their labeling machine for maybe about a year. And I would like to take a minute just to tell you a little bit of my experience working with the Winskys labeling machine. Specifically, I would like to talk about 3 points. Number one is the quality of the machine, the customer service, and the technical support that I received from Winskys. So let's get on it. So number one, I think the machine is very sturdy. Actually, you can see the machine on the back is very sturdy, very well built, good materials. And the other thing that I really like is very easy to use, very user friendly. There's a little bit of a learning curve, but there's a really good manual out there. And once you go through the manual, and I was able to get again some customer support from Wendy that I'm going to talk about, and the engineering team, it made it very easy to work. Once you go to the learning process, I can set up the machine in maybe 5 minutes, and I'm ready to go. All right. So good quality machine. Very happy with it. Number two, customer service. Specifically, I've been working with Wendy. Maybe this is the one that you're going to be working with. Very nice. She asked all of my questions. She was very supportive. She was, following up with me to make sure that the machine was good. Very happy with her response. And just in general, very nice person to trade with, and very, everything you ask her, she'll come back and give you a good answer. And lastly, but it's really important for us, is the technical support. Again, as I was going to, setting up the machine, I got it from the box and I was setting it up. Of course, there were things that Wendy didn't knew about it. So then, she was able to connect me with the engineering department, and they were very patient. We did this through WhatsApp, and even with the chat, it was very, taking pictures and sending back and forth, but very well supported. You do have to reserve stay at night because of the time differences. But I was very happy with the support that I got from the engineering department. Wendy did an outstanding job, and I'm very, very happy with the machine. So that's all I can tell you. If you're looking to buy one machine, definitely a good point, kind of like an intermediate point between, as you go on your journey in whatever you're doing, But I'm very happy with it. And also it has a point where you can scale it. You can see the conveyor in there. So if I want to hook it up to another piece of equipment, it gives you that scalability factor that you don't get from other machines. Overall, thank you very much. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. Thanks very much. Bye.